Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shafinas binti Idris. I am from the ITM Arab Pradesh. I would like to present about the phytoplankton and its impact on water quality. Phytoplankton is derived from the Greek words phyton, which means plant, and planktos, which means wanderer or drifter. The majority of phytoplankton are too tiny to be distinguished separately by the naked eye. The foundation of both marine and freshwater food webs is phytoplankton, which also plays a significant role in the global carbon cycle. Phytoplankton remove carbon dioxide from the water for photosynthesis. Phytoplankton absorb nutrients from the water for use in growth and remove ammonia, nitrogen from water, which is particularly important in lessening concentration of this potentially toxic metabolite. For literature review, I would like to explain three things, which is what is phytoplankton, second one is what is water quality, and the last one is what is the effect of phytoplankton towards water quality. What is phytoplankton? Firstly, phytoplankton are similar to terrestrial plants is that they have chlorophyll and need sunlight to survive and develop. Phytoplankton float since they are buoyant. Phytoplankton need inorganic elements such as phosphate, sulfur, and nitrates, which they use to make proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. Phytoplankton can be divided into two primary groups, which is diatom and dinoflagellates. Diatom have shells, but they are constructed of a different material and have stiff structure with interlocking components. Diatom rely on ocean currents to move rather than flagella to move through the water. Dinoflagellates have complex shells covering their bodies and a whip-like tail that they utilize to navigate through the water. I would like to show about the field survey of EPSK scientific expedition at the Peninsular Malaysian eastern coastline. In this survey, they successfully gathered 59 microphytoplankton from 10 transit lines along the east coast of Peninsula, with 49.39% of the total population on the east coast of Peninsula. Chatteros was discovered to be the most relevant genus. In this study, a total of 5 hazardous genera were identified, which is Alexandrium, Serratium, Porocentrum, Pseudonyxia and Nyxia were among the genera present. The table shows the other common phytoplankton that can be found during the survey. We move to what is water quality. Water is the second most critical component for life to exist after water. The phrase, it is the physical, chemical and biological characteristics of water is the definition of water quality. The condition of the water is relation to the needs of one or more biotic species or to any human need or purpose is referred to as its quality. Water are subject to the risk of pollution by home, industrial and agricultural process that may use a variety of contaminants including heavy metals, pesticides, fertilizers, toxic chemicals, and oils. Water can be classified into polluted, non-polluted, and slightly polluted by measuring dissolved oxygen, turbidity, bioindicators, nitrates, pH scales, and water temperature. Lastly, what is the effect of phytoplankton towards water quality? Water quality is highly important for the well-being of flora and fauna in oceans, rivers, lakes, swamps, and wetlands. Lack of maintaining good water quality will lead to eutrophication as the result of water pollution. This phrase describes what happens when a lot of nutrients such as ammonia, phosphate, and nitrogen are permitted to enter water bodies. Water that have heavy eutrophication process, the dominant cyanobacteria which occur blooms are usually Anabaena, Microcetes, and Oscillatoria. As a result, it can kill animals and may pose a threat to humans. Conclusion. Phytoplankton are the base of the food chain. They are crucial to both of their local ecosystem and the planet's overall ecosystem, since they carry out half of the photosynthetic activities with absorbing nutrient from water for use in growth and remove ammonia nitrogen from water, which is particularly important in lessening concentration of the potentially toxic metabolite. Phytoplankton is excellent indicator of environment conditions and aquatic health because they are sensitive to change in water quality. They respond to low dissolved oxygen level, high nutrient level, toxic contaminant, poor food quality or abundance, and predation by rapid growth of phytoplankton can cause eutrophication, which can lead to excessive plant production, blooms of harmful algae, increased frequency of anoxic events, and fish kills. Acknowledgement. I am gratefully acknowledge the generous assistance and support from the supervisor, Mr. Sharer Isaac, for his contribution to this research and publication, and also to UiTM Marine Research Station and the Faculty of Applied Science UiTM Arau Perlis.